Okay, now I have to talk to you, say something else.
No. Breakfast na yun mga tol. Cereal. And eat na. Baby sleeping. Honey. Honey.
2,000 years later.
Eat now, ha? Baby here. So may kape din tayo mga tol. Tara kain. Honey, let's eat! Ayaw na kasing ginigising kapag umaga kasi gusto niya pang matulog pero almost lunch na kasi, so hindi natin yan palalampasin. Kailangan niyang kumain. Tara. What's up mga tol? So labas na muna kami ni baby kasi napapagod sila dito sa bahay. Wala talaga kami nakapaglabas, so gusto na ni Ira lumabas at hindi naman namin 22 iwan si baby dito, so para like that. So labas na muna kami saglit mga tol at bili lang kami ng pagkain at kakainin si Ira. So tara. So ganito pala yung labas namin dito mga tol. So ito yung ground namin dito. So parang nasa countryside talaga. Pero malapit lang naman kasi mga 10 minutes lang nasa city na ganyan. So tara. So medyo kailangan talaga magdandahan ni Ira. Hinawakan ko yan kanina kasi medyo madulas doon banda. Kasi hindi pa namin ayos yung daan. Iayos ko yung daan para mapasok ko yung sasakyan sa loob ng sa loob ng ground. So doon yung slide. Tara. We are here. There's sun.
She should not feeling like that.
Wow.
Let's try it.
Is it good? Let me try. This is a bone. So we are done. We need to go so we can pose. Right? Kailangan namin pumunta na para makapose. Let's go.
Tatay ay magtigay siya rin.
Grabe yung motor, oh.
Who? How are you? How are you, Ira? What's... What's her name?
Olia.
Alia?
Ulia.
Olia?
Oh.
Mas guwapo daw itong siya. Gatas, Ira.
Sige, kapoy siya.
Yapot. Vlog na siya. Review.
Ano yun? Head. Head.
Siguro na. Walang yung aircon daan.
Pare. Ay mga tol. So naka-uri na kami ng bahay at ayun, pinatulog na namin ni baby. So, tulog na si baby. So update lang kami. Bali, safe pala yung travel at si Ira yung nag-decision na gusto niya mag-land trip kasi ayaw niya mag-bus. Kaya siya yung pinadesisyon ko. Happy naman kami sa lahat ng nangyari mga tol kasi hindi din namin in-expect kasi talaga yung bill namin dun sa hospital kasi yun yung pinili ni Ira ng hospital at hindi ko alam na sobra palang dollar. At least safety baby nakalabas at si Ira safe din yung operasyon niya kasi cesarean din yun. At hindi din kami naging malungkot para sa mga nangyari mga tol at happy talaga kami. Pasensya na sa lahat ng mga nag-alala sa kanya at sa kay baby. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi alam niyo naman na ginagawa ko din yung kailangan kong gawin. Hindi ko talaga to sila pinabayaan mga tol. So
Okay guys, hello, welcome back to our very funny channel. And now we're gonna show you how to give proper massage that is nice. He will show you guys so that I can get massage because my back. Ow, ow. It's ow, ow from carrying all the weight of him.
ha? What do you mean weight of him? You didn't carry me.
No, but all the weight of being with you.
What do you I don't have any weight.
Yeah, because you're struggling me. So okay, now I have to talk to you. I'll say something else.
Don't
Yeah, you don't like what I said.
Don't.
It's not live.
Don't.
Yeah, so he's gonna give me massage because he's the world best boom boom man. Joke lang. Not really. So So now he's actually gonna give me massage because he has the best hands in the world. And because I give him beautiful child, so that's why. Massage ba?
Ito yung pagkain niya ngayon mga tol. May cucumber, carrots, tomato, banana, at dragon fruit. At may bread din siya dito na gusto niya. Parang cinnamon, right? Cinnamon bread. Yeah, so we need to eat. Okay? And they visit my family still here. Okay. So we need to eat now. Eat now. Of course. Yan, soda. Ala mga tol, she wants soda. It's okay, at least she eat healthy. She always eat healthy. I promise you, I'm the one always get bored of your food because your food is again and again like vegetable.
It's yummy.
Yan yun pala yung pagkain niya parati mga tol. So napapagod na ako sa kakatingin sa kanya na ganyan parati yung kinakain niya. Mga vegetables at like so gusto ni Ira na vegetables mga tol yung fresh lang. Ayaw niya yung mga niluluto na parang mga Pinoy ganyan. Pero try pa rin natin next time magluto para sa kanya. Pero ganyan yung gusto niya, ikakat mo lang yan, kainin na niya yan.
You know this dragon fruit? This is what they call superfruit.
Superfood, why?
Because it's full of like a lot of vitamins and
Yeah.
antioxidants. A lot. It's so much. It doesn't taste much. It's a little sour.
Yeah, but other is just nothing. And you know the white one color inside is more expensive. I don't know why.
You know the yellow?
There's a yellow.
The yellow is to what they say that you eat that if you cannot poop.
But you have dragon fruit in your country.
I think it's possible to get, but it's so expensive because it's so
Yeah.
exotic.
It's even expensive here. And I think it's expensive because of the nutrients. Ang mahal talaga ng dragon fruit mga tol. And alam ko na alam niyo yan. So, enjoy your food. Kakain din mga dalaw. Sarap ng gulay. Lutong nanay. So ako na lang pala isa. So kasi kumain na sila. So ano itong ulam para sa akin lang ito. So dito tayo mga tol. At ayan sa Ira. Hindi mo natin siya papakita kasi nabe-breastfeed din siya. So kain muna tayo. Let's go. So labanan muna tayo mga tol. Labanan muna tayo. May mga labahan pa kasi hindi kasi itong kumana itong washing namin dati kasi hindi ko alam. Pero may na-stock lang pala ng water kaya na-drain ko na. At ngayon nag-work siya.